crap, guys. We found a freaking waterfall. We found a waterfall. There's a rainbow in it. Holy crap. Woo! This is freaking awesome.
Hey, take off our shoes.
Okay.
Let's go. You want to do?
Who said we didn't take off the socks? And then we can wash or dry your shoes out in the...
Oh, go here.
Holy crap. This is freaking...
What if we just come from there?
Yeah. Just come this way. Holy crap.
Oh, you didn't feel it.
Holy moly. Dude, look at that rainbow.
I know.
Dude, this is freaking awesome. This is freaking awesome. Are the parents here?
Yeah.
Oh, they are? Okay.
Over there.
This is freaking awesome. Dude, if you like stand like right here, when it comes down, it sprays you.
Look at that.
I want to go up there. Jump in, jump in, jump in. Wow! You guys, holy! Who wants to go up there?
It's like a little cave. Look. Come on, let's go take a picture.
Yeah, you're supposed to climb this. You have to, JJ. Woo! Holy crap. This is freaking awesome.
Let's go to the gate. I'm going next.
Holy crap, it's very freaking slippery.
Okay.
Guys!
Oh, yeah, we're going that way. We're going down.
Holy crap, this is scary. It's really slippery.
It is really scary. Okay. Unless you want to slide down.
Into that? Yeah, you wish.
You can just slide on my knee. Okay.
Whew! Oh! Oh! Oh, whoa, I didn't see the cave. I thought we were going just right there. Oh my gosh, it's so scary! Just go, we got this, we got this.
I'm gonna die!
Here, yeah, can you take my phone?
Oh, it's really cool! Now my fear is getting back down.
Stop! Woo!
Guys, it's really muddy in here.
Whoa, holy crap.
Wow. Hobos camp here.
I bet they do.
Camping for hobos. Oh my gosh, now how are we gonna get back down? I know how.
Jump, jump, jump. Oh my god, it's like, it's coming through the cracks and dropping.
Okay, I don't want to go back down.
Gabe! Holy crap.
Hi.
Little too much. Ready for a picture?
Yeah. Let's go. I got this on video.
Come on, take our picture. Gabe, ew, what is that?
Mud.
Water.
Yeah.
That is not sweat.
Water.
Stop it.
You ever find your water?
Mommy! It's just gonna be scary getting back down.
I think you can handle it. Need help, Juju?
Ooh, this is scary.
Let Gabby go first. Just in case he dies.
I got this. I got this.
No, you're not going first.
I'll help
I'm
you
gonna
guys
do this.
down, okay?
Huh?
It's
Really far.
It goes really deep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna take my camera all the way in. I'm going all the way in here.
down. Give me a hand. Good.
I want to go. You can't. What happened to ladies first?
It happened to, do you want to die?
Need help, did you?
Here, hand me my phone when I'm like halfway done.
I have it.
Catch!
I'm kidding.
Woo! This is awesome.
Hey, it's a bee.
Oh, JJ, don't do that. Woo!
Take a selfie of you with the waterfall in the background.
Mommy, let's climb up. No.
Up to what? There's no way to climb it.
Take it like this.
You see it all the way up to them. Like sneak down like this and look to get in the background. Alright, Jake. Something.
Really cold, guys. It feels really good. Wait, you're in the water? I'm in the water. You're gonna ruin your tennis shoes.
That's why we never give anything else.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's cold. It's cold.
It's warm. So warm. It's cold, but it feels good. It's like slide down there.
Because this water is coming from somewhere. There's a lake up there.
Can we go that way? No.
No? I don't think so.
I can climb that.
I don't know how much longer
We got
it takes
this,
to
guys. I've done something like that before.
We go that way.
It's fun.
I got my shoes all wet. I'm not going in there.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go that way and try to find.
I'm afraid
The
of
lake.
back and we're gonna fall in love. This way is easier to get down. Look, someone out D plus J.
Huh?
What are you doing?
Whew. This is scary. Well, we're gonna go up to the lake. So we're gonna go to the lake. Okay, one sec. We're gonna go to the lake, and that's it for this. See you guys.